All right, this is the Incred-I-Cottage. Incred-I-Cottage, isn't that awesome? Everything's incredible. So this is the Incred-I-Cottage that I came out with last week. I was so inspired when I seen this Incred-I-Cottage, and I wanted to show you again. We've had a lot of people inquire about it, and so I'm going to explain a little bit more. I've got a floor plan. We're actually going to build a prototype. I'm hoping we get to it this week. All right. So I'm drawing up a 10 by 20 cottage. All right, this is 10 by 20. I've got a floor plan for it. I'd like to come up with an 8 by 20. It'd be a little bit different, but I think you're going to love the 8 by 20 also. All right, so this is the floor plan. I've already gotten another design in mind and how we're going to do a kind of a more of a colonial, kind of pre-Civil War design. Just with this cottage area. You guys remember my original Freedom style home, my original RJO and the Freedom, and it had all the little gables and the dormers. Well, dormers are very, very labor intensive and they take a lot of time. So when I seen this one, I thought, you know what? I think I can make this thing streamlined to go down our assembly line, keep the cost really low, but add some style to this. And as you guys know, anytime we change up the assembly line, like we talked about different materials we'll be using, it's going to slow everything down and change everything up. And it's really not good to do that. That's why when you buy a car from Ford or GM, they don't change them. It's the same. And they use the same frame, same body, same motor, same something, because they don't want to change up the entire assembly line. Well, we're the same way. So this building will be the Incred-I-Box right here. It'll always be the Incred-I-Box. We won't change from the Incred-I-Box. Just changing the materials alone has really upset the entire flow of what we're doing. And it's going to take some time to get back on our feet. Anytime we change the flow, it costs money, there's a downtime, and it is scary because money is always our object, right?
Yeah.
So my Incred-I-Box that I want to come up with, Incred-I-Cottage, I really feel good inside about it.
Yeah.
I like being able to offer something other than the Incred-I-Box, all right? And this Incred-I-Cottage, I think, meets so many ladies that really like this cottagey looking home, and it could still be on wheels.
I love it.
It can be a modular home. It can be an ANSI certified RV home. It's going to fit a lot of different areas of needs. The floor plan that I come up with, and I'm going to do a better design. You guys, and I'm just scribbling, and I always come out with things before they're pretty, right? And somebody throws it on here. But let me show, okay. So here's the picture of it again.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. The floor plan, where'd it go? Here it is. It's a little windy out here.
It's a little windy today.
But it's so nice and warm out.
Oh, it is.
Okay. So here's the front of the house, what we just showed you. When you walk in, you got a living room kitchen. And I like this because it's 10 by 10. Okay, what's gorgeous about this? So you got your gable that comes up. You got look. There's a porch on it.
Yeah, I love that.
There's a front porch with a roof on it. That's going to be country cottagey front porch, and these are built out of our panels. Then you go through the back here into this bedroom. This is a bedroom look, washer and dryer. You walk into here. Here's your bathroom. This is our typical bathroom: toilet, sink, shower, 36-inch shower. Here's a queen bed. I made room for a queen. Now, if you wanted a king, it'd come out closer to the door, but it's made for a queen and a closet.
Yes.
This, I love. Our homes never have closets.
Yeah.
This is going to have a closet in here. Now, I haven't decided if we're going to include all this or if it's going to be a DIY. Of course, here's the kitchen. I put a stove in here because a cottage, I don't know why I think of a stove. We got to bake cookies in a cottage.
You think about bacon, yeah.
Yeah. Refrigerator. That's a 10 cubic inch refrigerator, stove, microwave, range hood, farm style sink, and a 3-drawer cabinet.
Okay.
2 windows, a door, cottagey looking, shutters, the whole deal.
Yeah, let me show it to them, the whole thing. Oh yeah, the one thing that I'm super excited about is what you draw it on the board in the conference room.
Yeah.
Is how it's going to actually look on the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that was that pre-Civil War one though.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Now
with
this one. Yeah. Okay. So let's go back to the picture.
Yes. Yes.
But I'm gonna put a covered front porch on this.
Yes.
Right here, I'll put a covered, it'll come out 4 feet. That roof line will come out a little bit and be a cute little country front porch. Look at that, a full bedroom, washer and dryer closet, Amanda, with a kitchen, living room on a 10 by 20.
Wow.
All on one level built out of our panels. I'm super excited about this.
It's going to be awesome.
I'm stoked about it. Now, one we're going to do is when we offer it finished, when we offer it unfinished, like our Incred-I-boxes, it may not include the closet, may not include painting and trim and all that. One thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to make this model, and I'm putting shake shingles on the top.
Yes.
I absolutely love it.
And did you not say that?
Metal on the back.
And metal on the back. I love that. So the shake shingles here and the metal on the back.
These are shake shingles on the outside. So what I'm thinking about putting together some finishing kits.
Yeah.
Hey, I want shutter. I want the shutter kit. I want the shutter kit with the flower boxes.
And I'd like to have some type of, I mentioned this to you before we come out, some kind of a different door for the Incred-I-Cottage. I don't know what.
If I can get with Rob, you know, we used to make our own doors.
Yeah.
And the wood is a pine and it started moving and stuff.
Yeah.
People were complaining about it moving. I don't know. To me, I like a door that's creaky and got little problems with it and stuff. It's just a cottagey, right? But anyway, if you can get away from having an old wood door on there, I would love to. We can make our own windows, but they'll be manufactured windows. We'll see about a door. But yeah, this is super cute. I'm excited about the Incred-I-Cottage. Let us know what you think about this video and if it's enough for you to kind of get an idea where we're going to go with this. And again,
do you have an idea of a price yet or range?
Well, I said $29.95 for the 10 by 20, and it won't finished out. It won't be finished out or anything. But I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna build this and I'm gonna price it out, and I'm gonna do the first prototype, and I'm gonna say, all right, first come, first serve. Let's get this thing out.
Oh, that'd be great.
Isn't that cool?
Yes.
So we're gonna build it.
Okay.
I'm hoping that, it's off gonna be on the side. We'll probably do it on the weekends because we got to get our assembly line rolling and going. And
it will be a 10 by 20.
This is going to be a 10 by 20,
10 by 20.
And I'm also going to design an 8 by 20, so it'll be a little bit less money. Somebody wants that. The only thing is on the 8 by 20, this whole thing is going to work different. That bed will have to turn this way because you don't have as much room in the door and stuff. So it's a little bit of, but I want to keep the same premise floor plan.
Okay.
All right, everybody. Thank you so much. Let us know what you think of the Incred-I-Cottage. All right, and if this is enough information for you, but we will be working on this. I'm hoping to maybe get a little CGI video going with this thing, and we know somebody that might be able to help us with that.
All right.
Man, is that it?
That's it.
Thanks.
For now.
For now.
All right.
Bye.